Hi friends, I have big news for you today. I've just launched my brand new studio, Move with Ease. It's a special place to help you become healthier and happier, both in body and mind, with all the benefits of a regular yoga and movement practice. So what is Move with Ease? It's an online studio where you'll find all of my Yoga with Joelle YouTube classes, but of course without the pesky ads and distractions. Plus, there are lots of exclusive classes and programs you won't find anywhere else, and I'll be adding new ones regularly. And I've designed it so that finding what you need is so much easier and faster than on YouTube. You can use filters to quickly find the perfect class or program, like let's say, for example, you've got 15 minutes and you want to work on your hips. There's also a keyword search where you can quickly search for parts of the body, conditions, or any number of other keywords that you're interested in. Another feature I'm excited about is the monthly yoga calendar, which suggests a class of the day for you. So if you're not sure what to practice, this will guide you to stay balanced and consistent, and it's also an easy way to make sure you're not neglecting any important areas of your body so that you can truly move with ease. I'd love for you to join me in the studio, and since you're among the first, there is a special launch price happening right now, so it's the perfect time to give it a try with all of the tools and support you need to build a healthy movement habit and improve your day-to-day life. I know it's going to simplify your practice, enhance our connection, and help you feel your best. So whether that means living pain-free, feeling strong, or being more flexible. So check out the link you see on screen or in the description of the video to learn more about the studio, and I can't wait to share this new chapter with you. I'll see you there.